Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. Not my normal pre-intro today, but the Ritz-Carlton in Perth was good enough to let me use their viewing platform. Janet's studying again today, but we thought we'd head up to Kings Park for a picnic, give her a bit of a break, but we'll show you more of that later. For now, let's roll the intro. Well, this is our first stop at Kings Park. We're at the lookout right at the entrance. If you look over there where those two cranes are and the building in the middle, that's the Ritz-Carlton where we were this morning. Beautiful, beautiful part of Perth. This is the gorgeous city where we're lucky enough to live. So here we are at the famous Whispering Wall. It's quite amazing really. You can talk at this end, hear it at the other end. Hello. And when you're talking against the wall, it gets a kind of buzz. It sounds more like a speaker than a bit of wall. That's the War Memorial in the background. Memorial to all the Australians lost at war. What a beautiful, beautiful part of the world to live in. Okay, this little statue over here, you can see over here, that's the beginning of the Botanical Gardens walk. Now, Kings Park's 400 acres and it's separated into lots of different sections, and each section is planted with the native flora of a different area of Western Australia. It really is quite a nice walk. So now we're having a little picnic in the park. We're not what the chick, that's for sure, but it's still yummy, isn't it, baby? Here we are at the Pioneer Park. The statue behind me is of a mother and her child, and the fountains depict the bush. So when she first leaves, the bush is easy, and then the fountains get bigger and bigger, it becomes a forest. And it's just depicting the struggles of women back in the days. So, this one's called the DNA Tower. I think you can see why. The stairs going up like a DNA strand. Now we'll head up, have a look up at the top. And now we're at the top of the DNA Tower. Even 10 years ago, especially when I was a kid, when they first built this, the trees weren't so big, so you could see forever from up here. But it's still a beautiful view. Amazing place to spend the day, Kings Park. And this is the compass that tells you everything you're looking at. And now we're on Memorial Boulevard, on Memorial Avenue, sorry guys. Every one of these trees, the plaques there, Janet's sitting reading one now. Every one of these trees was planted for a soldier that didn't make it home and whose body wasn't laid to rest properly. So mostly it's the guys from World War I and II lost in the trenches. They were given a memorial here at Kings Park. Well, that was just a little short one. Janet had to get back and study. There's a lot more to see up at Kings Park. Big adventure playgrounds for kids. It was one of my favourite places to go when I was young. We went up there a lot. The Kings Park Tennis Club. Now that was established in 1899 and was the home for the Davis Cup, West Australian Davis Cup ties. So a lot of you tennis buffs would know what I'm talking about. But for now guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the Mad Dog logo up there or hit the subscribe button down below. Give me a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next one.